This video is going to show how to cost a part accurately using all the costing functions, including external costs, internal costs and stock requirements. So firstly we go to the edit. You can see from the description we're quoting the 10 studding connectors. If we enter edit mode, we can then enter the costings. Within the costings are displayed the colour coded for cost functions, the external, internal, inventory and budget. So firstly, the external costs, items that we would be purchasing to do this job. Add a line. From the drop down menu we select a supplier. And from the supplier what we would be purchasing from them. For this example it's a sheet of 10mm thick aluminium. The quantity, one sheet. Now the cost of the item is £150 per sheet, and then we can put in the sell item what we'd like to sell that for. We'd like to sell that at £200, and you can see there it's marked up 33%. Alternatively, you can actually enter a markup into the boxes, so if we just change that to 35 it will subsequently update the sell item there, and then on the end it's worked out the sell per unit, so we're actually costing 10 items. The internal costs, we can add a line there. We select from our equipment which we've got pre-set up in the admin section. After this we need to do some flame cutting, some CNC router. We select the router, we select the operation which is preset, so it's machine to shape. You can see the cost per hour is pre-populated in there for us as set in admin. Now we can add a time per unit, so we could say they're going to take 10 minutes, 1 minute each, or we could add a total time of 6H. The system will calculate in reverse for you. Again, the markup or the sell per hour we can amend. From inventory, our stocked items, simply drop it down again. The product group, so it's something within our fixings. The actual items, some M6 nuts. The quantity, we're going to use 50 of them. Again, the value, the cost is already set because it's from inventory. How much we'd like to mark them up, 100%. For this example we won't add any budget items, so we've costed it properly. What this will do at a later stage, the external cost will generate all the purchase orders should the job turn to a sales order automatically. The internal cost will generate the route card and the job card and load the schedule. The inventory will actually place demand on the inventory should it turn to a sales order. We'll just close that down at the top. We can see it's taken all them costs into account, giving us a unit cost and also our unit sell. We can then simply go to the action button, click print, or we could click email and send it direct to our customers. And you can see there the quotation has been generated, taking into account all the costs we've entered.